Okay, so this is the shot. 7 Artisans 10mm fisheye lens in front of the Disney concert hall. I think I'm gonna place myself around here, and that looks pretty good. Maybe step over here. And so the thing about this lens is it's manual focus. So what I'm doing is I'm digital zooming, and then I focus properly, and then we just take the picture. No big deal. But this is actually my first time doing street photography with the fisheye lens. And we're here in downtown LA. So the goal is Santa Monica Pier. I'm only gonna be here for around 25 minutes. I was just driving through, and yeah, let's get these buildings right around here and focus digitally. Everything looks razor sharp. Exposure looks good. And clickety-clack, clickety-clack, something, something. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna go inside the Disney concert hall, and well, not inside, but maybe I can get in through here. I think I can get in through here. Okay, this looks neat. Here we go. Okay, maybe if I move a little bit. Okay, so the thing about this lens, oh, this is awesome. Okay, how about this right here? Focus. Let's keep moving. Oh, this looks cool. Just like this, if I get really close maybe, and then shoot vertically, aim like this. Here we go, 1, 2. Okay, nice. Okay, and so the way I came across this lens, I was in downtown LA a couple of weeks ago shooting a street photography video with like different lenses, and I found myself, oh, I like this spot right here. I found myself in an area where I wish I had like a 16 to 35, and then I realized, well, what if I had like a fisheye lens? How would that look? And so then after, how does that look? Hopefully that looks pretty cool. So then after I went searching for a fisheye lens, and then this one came up at 10mm, 2.8. It was manual focus. And the whole manual focus really doesn't matter much, especially for a fisheye lens. And so I gave it a shot. It came in, and to be honest, it is awesome. I love this lens. I totally if you're looking for a fisheye lens, this is absolutely a contender, 100%. It's not expensive. How about we get close to here? Right around there, I think. Okay, so, and this is the composition. So let me figure something out. Maybe if I get really low to the ground. No, I don't like that. Let's keep walking. Let's see what we can shoot from over here. And then maybe we should start heading back to the car. Parking was like $5, which isn't really that bad. But that's just the way it goes. Hello, how you doing? Go for it.
No, take it.
Are you sure?
You have it.
Thanks, thank you. Okay, so here we go. We're living on the edge right now. So we're shooting directly into the sun. Thanks, man. Okay, so was that shot awesome? What time is it? I need to leave at 4:40. It's 4:38. That looks pretty neat. Is it something? It looks like something. Oh, how about this? I'll just get really close to the wall and maybe get something cool from here. How close can I get? How close should I get? Like this? Figure something out. Okay, how about this? Okay. You know what? One more picture right here. I'll just cross the street on the way to the car, and we're good to go. Okay, so I've been here before hanging out with Star. Those pictures came out dope, but now I have a 10mm Now it'd be cool to have a model because it just makes everything so much better, but here we go. Okay, how about this little spot? We'll go into vertical mode. Here we go. How about this right here? Maybe that's the shot right around here. Okay, so just so you get an idea, I'm gonna record some video with the fisheye lens and action. So right now we're doing video. This is with the 7 Artisans. There's no image stabilization, no IBIS or nothing. I'm not gonna put it in post either, but this is where I'm standing. Here are my feet. And yeah, it's an exaggeration. It really, truly is. It's crazy. People are honking, but I have to be in Santa Monica like right now. I have to be on my way, so we got to get out of here. But yeah, this is fisheye lens. Pretty cool. It's dope. I dig it. And yeah, let's get out of here. Okay, so we made it. We're here a little late. I wanted to get here a little earlier than I am right now, but it's all good. No big deal. The sun is setting. I'm just trying to figure out where to set the camera. If I do want to get at least one sunset shot, like a good one, maybe with the tripod, maybe not. Should I take it from the back of the pier, from the beach? You know what? Let's just get on the pier. Everyone's here for the sunset. We probably have like around 5 minutes. So I gotta hurry up. But you know what? The thing is, there aren't any clouds, so I don't know. It's really a no big deal kind of a shot. But we'll try for something. You know, we'll try. How about this little area right here? And here we go. There's the sun.
No, thank you. I appreciate you.
Okay, that was it. Nothing interesting, to be honest.